Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, to another video. This is a really exciting one because I have a box here from Madam Glam. They emailed me and they asked me if I'd like to try some of their gels, and those of you who watch my videos know that I do already use Madam Glam, so I was over the moon when they asked me. I was so happy, and I did say it on one of my other videos that I was getting this box, but it took a while to get here. It's been a little bit bashed in the post, but coming all the way from America, I'm not really surprised. But everything in the box is absolutely fine, and I'm just going to show you what they sent to me. I'm so happy with this because I'll just show you. Right, okay, so the first thing that you notice in the box is this. They've sent me this mini UV lamp. And I've seen other people using these, but I didn't realise actually how small it was. It is so unbelievably cute. I can't believe it. It is just really dinky. It's tiny. I absolutely love it. I mean, imagine if you were going away somewhere and you wanted to put some gel polish on. You know, this would be perfect, wouldn't it? So you've got little legs that come out when I can do it. This is obviously brand new because it's a bit stiff, so I'll get those out in a minute. And you've got your plug here. I've got glitter on my hands. Yeah, you've got your plug here, so that is, you know, that is a USB, so you can plug that into your phone. You could plug it into your phone charger socket if you've got one of those plugs. So let me just put it next to one of the bottles, because they've also sent me the no wipe top coat and their base coat, which I have already got one, but I've used it quite a lot, so there isn't that much in, so I'm glad that they sent me those as well. So yeah, just putting it next to the bottle, you can see the sort of relative size. That is so cute, I love it. So set to 45 seconds by default. Press on off button once for curing 45 seconds, press a second time for 60 seconds, and press it a third time to turn it off. Okay, that makes sense, doesn't it? That's pretty easy for even me to understand. So there's a 1-year warranty on this, which is brilliant. So it's just saying there about how the company Madam Glam are vegan, cruelty free, and they've got a 9-free formula, which is amazing. It's one of the reasons why I really love this company and their gels. Shop as a VIP. I am a VIP, so I pay, I think it's $29 a month. Yeah, it says it there, and that becomes store credits. So that just, if you just leave it alone, it will just accrue, and every month you'll get another $29 added to it. And then your gels, because you're a VIP, your gels are always 50% off, which is a really good saving. You do have private sales, so yeah, they will send you an email before their sale goes on, so you get, you know, first access to any new collections and any sales that they're going to do before they put them on the main website. So free shipping and return, that is only for the USA. Because I'm in the UK, I don't get the free shipping, so I have to pay for it. But you know, it's coming from a long way, so I can understand that. And you do get 50% off your gels and all the other benefits. You can also stop your payments for up to 3 months, I think, if you want a break. So you can do that. Let me just sort this little lamp out. I'll just be a second. Okay, yeah, so I've just brought the legs out now. So they're just down like that, and you just put them like that so you can stand it up. And you can see there are 6 LEDs there. So yeah, it's if I was to put my hand there, my hands are only small, so that would cure that, no problem. You probably have to do your thumbs separately, but that's not a problem. That it's just so adorable. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. So I'm going to put that back in its box over there. And then, like I said, they've sent me their base coat. So that is the base coat. It says there. This is the top coat. It says there. And they've just got clear caps on. So I'm not going to open those today because I've already got some open. And these are the colours that they sent me. Well, they're not colour. I'll show you. So let me move that box out of the way. So they sent me, these are from they're like sort of glitter collection, which is my favourite collection at the moment. I absolutely love them. And this first one is, it's gold glitter, and it's sort of in a clear base, and there's white glitter in there as well. And it's called Am I Clear? And it's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if they've been watching my videos, but they obviously know that I love the glitter colours. And this one is called Daydream. And I have left so many comments on their Instagram page whenever anyone's used this, because I think it's gorgeous. Absolutely love it. So yeah, maybe they've seen that and thought, oh right, well, we'll send her that. So I am so happy to be receiving these, and I am going to swatch these for you in a minute so that you can see what I've got. But I will be making another order because I've been accruing my VIP money on there, and so I wanted to wait until I got these before I placed another order, because I didn't want to be ordering stuff and then it come. That's really good actually, because I was going to order this Daydream one and possibly this one as well, so I'm glad that I waited. So I'll just get a couple of swatch sticks and then I'll swatch these for you. So I will be back in a minute when I'm all ready. Okay, so I'm just going to get the swatches done now, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to just tell you about my 30% off code. So if you put the code Sharon's Nails 30 in the box at checkout where it asks you for a coupon code, that'll take 30% off your order. So this first one that I'm swatching is called Am I Clear? And it's got bits of white glitter in it and bits of gold glitter in it. So you can see there with one coat, it's kind of like a topper. So you could use this over other colours, or you could use it on its own and build it up. I'm going to put 2 coats on this swatch stick. This is a second coat now going on, so that you can see what it looks like. And then I'm going to go over with the no wipe top coat. I did put the base coat on these swatch sticks as well before I put the gels on. Now, I absolutely love this one because it is clear, but like I say, it's got that glitter in it as well, so it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It was really strange that I was looking at these on the website and I was about to order them with my VIP account that I've got, but I didn't do it, and then it's a good job because these 2 were the ones that I would definitely have ordered. This one, this Daydream, is absolutely beautiful. I can't show it that much on camera, but it's gorgeous. It really is. If you carry on watching the video after I've done the swatches, I am going to do I'm going to put these gels on the practice hand so you can see what they look like actually as nails rather than just on swatch sticks. I'm going to do a little ombre with the Daydream and the Am I Clear. So this is what Daydream looks like with one coat, and I'm going to just put a second coat on now. Now, these aren't completely smooth when you put them on, and that's because there is quite a lot of glitter in there. So I did put 2 top coats on, or you could just put 1 top coat on, give it a buff with a soft buffer, and then just go over it again with another top coat if you wanted a really smooth surface. And that's how I got that. But I think my favourite has to be the Daydream one, the pink one. It's absolutely gorgeous. I really love it. So I'd love to say that I'm going to put it on my nails, but at the moment, those of you who watch my videos will know that I've just started college to do nails at college. The reason I'm doing it now is because I know that I'm not allergic to acrylic now, so I can use it with HEMA-free monomer. So yeah, you can see me putting the Daydream on all of these nails, and I don't know why when I get to these clips the colours changed on the video. I'm not sure what happened there. I must have caught something when I was recording, but I'll have to get that sorted out for next time. So you'll probably notice as well, those that watch my videos, that this is a new practice hand that I'm using. This is a red iguana posable practice hand. There's nothing wrong with my Glamour Liz Elsa hand. She's just very used, and I needed a practice hand for my college work to take with me to college and things, so I wanted a separate one. And I would have ordered one from Glamour Liz, and I probably will in the future, but she's backlogged with orders at the moment. And she's only taking new orders at the end of September, I think, and I needed to use Elsa for college now, so that's why I ordered this one. And plus it's just a bit different. It looks different, this one. The fingers are more slender, and it just gives me a bit of variation then on my photos and things. So I've put 2 coats of the pink Daydream on all of the nails. On the ring finger I've put it on the top, and then I've put Am I Clear at the bottom, and I've just done a little ombre, so I've just blended them together a little bit while they were still wet, and then I've cured them. I have used the mini lamp that I got from Madam Glam to cure the swatches and these nails, but I just left that out of the video because it was already quite long and I didn't want it just to go on for ages. So here is the finished result. I mean, they look so much better on nails rather than on the swatch stick, so I just wanted you to see that because just look how beautiful that is. I really want to put these on my nails, but yeah, I can't at the moment because we have to practice on each other at college. I can't have nails on. I've had to take them off. That's why I've got stubby little nails on. You can see them there. I've just put a bit of gel on them, but that's all I've got. So a big thank you to Madam Glam. Thank you so much for sending me these items to review. Yeah, and I've made another order with them now that I've got this box. So I've used my VIP money, my store credit, so I will have some more swatches and more designs from Madam Glam coming up. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to use my code if you want to get some money off Madam Glam. I highly recommend the gels because they are amazing. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.